Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry Moscow Mule. Now this is a great variation and makes a great cocktail for Valentine's Day coming up soon. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, if you guys want to get these mugs, also the jigger, I'm going to leave links in the descriptions for you so you guys can check it out. I'm giving 20% off right now. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need vodka, honey syrup, ginger beer, lime juice, and fresh raspberries. Alright, so I'm gonna start by adding about 7 raspberries into the mixing glass. Now I'm gonna add half ounce of honey syrup. I'm gonna muddle it. Next, I'm gonna add half ounce of fresh lime juice. Next, we're gonna add ice. And 2 ounces of vodka. Now we're gonna shake it. Now I'm gonna add cracked ice into a mule mug. Now I'm gonna strain it. And I'm just gonna top it out with ginger beer. I'm gonna add a little more ice. And I'm gonna garnish this with some raspberries and a mint sprig. Alright, I got my fancy straw here. And let's give this a try. Alright, so this cocktail is refreshing, and the honey syrup here helps with balance. I can definitely taste the raspberries. If you like a good balanced cocktail, not too sweet, not too strong, this is it. This is one of those cocktails that will definitely get a second round. I'll give it 9 out of 10. And that's how you make the raspberry Moscow Mule. And if you guys want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!